Millions of commercial motor vehicle inspections are conducted every year throughout North America to ensure large trucks and buses driving on our roadways are operating safely. In Texas, truck inspections are an important part of monitoring safety and weight compliance. There's an increasing number of trucks with heavy loads crossing through inspection stations on the Texas-Mexico border. Researchers at the Texas A&M Transportation Institute's Center for International Intelligent Transportation Research recently completed an evaluation and demonstration of promising EInspection technology. 8 different inspection levels are available to officers as they screen and select trucks for what is appropriate. The process can be time-consuming for full Level 1 and 2 inspections that involve both the vehicle and the driver, and often causing delays for carriers at these inspection stations.
In Texas, we have a tremendous amount of truck traffic, and we have a limited number of inspection stations, a limited number of inspection staff. There's only so many people, so many hours in a day. So how do you utilize all that to the best you can and catch those that need to be caught and let those in industry that are obeying all the rules get on down the road?
Doing e-inspections, you could inspect more trucks. Rather than letting a truck pass by and you don't know what's going on, or not, wouldn't know as much, you would simply interrogate the truck and the driver using this e-inspection process.
How does EInspection technology work? Electronic logging devices, or ELDs, are now installed in most trucks as standard equipment. Through the system, these devices transfer the data with driver and carrier credentials, service times and locations, and other administrative pre-screening information required in a Level 3 inspection. It goes directly and automatically to upcoming inspection station personnel or to enforcement officers' remote wireless devices using the software. On the driver's side, the ELD displays in-cab notifications at 2 miles and then again at 1 mile of an upcoming station, and then a message to pull in for inspection at open stations.
This is DriveWise EInspection. It is designed to automate currently manual steps of inspections. So we are using technology to improve efficiency and accuracy of inspections so they can be done more quickly, and we can do more of them and more trucks and drivers can be inspected. DriveWise is uniquely positioned, and we have 1 foot in the weigh station and 1 foot in the cab of these trucks out there. And with our connected vehicle solutions, we can transmit data and integrate systems that the inspectors use to inspect trucks and connect all of those dots electronically so they have all of the information at their fingertips when they need it.
What did the Texas demonstration test project include? The first phase of the project involved controlled offline testing of the electronic logging devices at the Texas A&M Rellis campus in partnership with the Reveille Driver Training Academy. These ELDs were installed in 3 trucks and tested with the DriveWise software system.
ELDs are required for most motor carriers to install in the cabs of trucks.
In a second phase of the project, researchers took the EInspection testing to a field demonstration here at the new Waverly, Texas weigh station on Interstate Highway 45.
It's currently in use in 9 states across the country in 31 stations, and we're demonstrating it here in Texas because they're interested in it, and there's a lot of value here and a lot of opportunity to improve efficiency of inspections in the state of Texas.
What are the potential benefits of the EInspections?
You're looking at hard data is why you're trying to work with these, pulling somebody in or inspecting them. Not just, I know this carrier is not that great, or I don't think they are. We're getting away, you want to move away from that into, when possible, to factual data.
These are standard inspections, so whatever the officer chooses to do, a Level 1, a Level 2, a Level 3, there's standard inspections being done. The carrier is still getting credit for whatever inspection it is. They're checking the same thing that they check right now. We're just putting all of the information on one screen, keeping them in one system so they can do it more quickly, more easily. And one of the key things for the driver is that they don't have to transfer their logs.
And in the future, I envision that happening as the truck moves along the roadway, and that could improve the safety scores for the motor carriers. It would help enforcement folks to cover more trucks.
Which is good for all the traveling public, their safety, as well as all of us consumers, because the goods and services that are going down those roads are what we need to get in the stores. So we don't want to hinder any of that stuff if we don't have to.